Have you ever read a story that made you feel like you were inside it? Or a poem that made you imagine things you've never seen before? That is the magic of creative writing. Today, we'll answer one big question. What is creative writing? And how can you start doing it? Creative writing is a type of writing that uses imagination, emotion, and original ideas to tell a story or express thoughts in an artistic way. Unlike academic or formal writing, creative writing is not just about giving information. It is about telling a story, creating images in the reader's mind, and making readers feel something. Creative writing focuses more on how something is said, not just what is said. Creative writing comes in many forms. Here are the most common: short stories, novels, poetry, plays or scripts, personal narratives, and flash fiction. For example, the rain was heavy last night. Obviously, this is a non-creative writing. Next is, rain hammered the roof like 1,000 tiny drums, keeping everyone awake. This is considered a creative writing. Same idea, but the second one paints a picture. Creative writing usually has these important elements. First is imagination. You create worlds, characters, and situations. Second is descriptive language. You use words that help readers see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Third is emotion. You make readers feel happy, scared, excited, or sad. Next element is storytelling. There is often a beginning, middle, and end. Lastly, originality. Your ideas are unique and personal. Let's guess if it is a creative writing or not. The dog was big. No, this is not a creative sentence. This is just a plain sentence. Next is, the dog towered over the child like a furry mountain with wagging tails. This is a creative sentence. Notice how creative writing uses imagery and details. Creative writing helps you improve imagination, express emotions, develop storytelling skills, become better at using words, and enjoy writing more. It is not just for writers. It is for everyone. You can start today by writing about your day like it's a story, describing a place using the 5 senses, inventing a character, and turning a simple sentence into a vivid one. Remember, there is no wrong idea in creative writing. Creative writing is where your imagination meets words. So the next time you write, don't just tell us what happened. Make us see it. Make us feel it. Happy writing. See you on the next video.